Hello, Laurel. Today is Sunday. Whatever day Sunday is. 2008 in September. I'm here blogging to you. I've been turned into a Ron monkey. Yes, indeed, yes. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I look like crap and don't want to be on camera, but okay. Anyway, so today I've been looking up colleges and I really want to attend UNT, but right now my parents are probably going to get a divorce and I don't know if I'm going to be able to afford college and stuff. So that's kind of a hard factor. And the fact that we have no house insurance and stuff like that. Sad day. But in other news, I'm ready for school tomorrow. I'm signed up for the ACT, and the guy I used to like, I don't really care anymore. So, it's all scruples. Did she just say scruples? Yes, I did. Anyway, I'm very interested in seeing your punishment video. It shall be interesting. And such. I'm sorry I'm taking too long to say all of this. I have a lot to process right now. And such. Well, Laurel, I hope you had a good day. I hope you did your punishment. And I hope you're not this close to the screen. And by the way, this Ron Monkey was made by Essence, my friend. He has a tail and a wand. It's my favorite doll ever. Oh, but this is what he's gonna look like when he's 40. Bald. Alright. Well, he's going to sleep, so have fun, Laurel. And I'll try to answer everything in the next video that you talked about that I don't remember about right now.